Better get back to the markets, please, because we're now up 460 on the Dow, 280 on the Nasdaq. Plenty of green today. Ed Yardeni's back with us. Ed, it occurs to me that I've known you for 50 years. How about that?
Yes.
Welcome back. Good to see you again, Ed. Good to see you.
Thank you.
Now, right now, they're negotiating a deal on Greenland. That's going on as we speak, Trump and world leaders. If we get a deal, does the market rally sharply?
Well, I think the market demonstrated today that just with the president saying that he's not going to use military force to take over Greenland, the market obviously celebrated that. We have a nice move to the upside here. I won't be surprised if the market continues to gain after maybe a little bit of a pause here. I think if we do get a resolution, partly because of the negotiations, that'll be a positive for the market.
Okay, now just take the other side of the coin. If there's no agreement and the Europeans retaliate to America, does the market fall big time?
The market, I think, falls big time, but I don't think that's a very likely scenario. I'm not saying it's impossible, but the Europeans are not exactly in good economic shape. They folded on the first round of tariffs that the president imposed on them. I think there's going to be a resolution.
Okay, are you in the camp that says economic growth this calendar year is going to be strong, therefore the stock market is likely to go up some more? Are you in that camp?
I've been in that camp since the beginning of the decade, Stuart. I've been talking about the roaring 2020 since August of 2020. And I was particularly impressed with the results last year. The last 3 quarters of the year, we're talking about something in the neighborhood of 4% real GDP growth with not much labor force growth. So the result was a productivity boom. And that's my thesis for the roaring 2020s, is strong growth that's led by productivity, which is enabled by technology.
We like your thesis. We'd love to see the real roaring 20s just continue. We just love it. Ed Yardeni, don't be a stranger. Come back soon, please. Good to see you again.
Sure, absolutely. Thank you.